How to delete Telegram account. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently delete Telegram account on Android or iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and let's start. Well, firstly we have to open the main page of Telegram app. After that you need to go on settings by clicking the button in the right upper corner. Here you have to scroll this page a bit and find privacy and security button. Click on it. Then just scroll down for a bit until you find automatically delete my account. This setting automatically deletes your account if it hasn't been activated for a selected period of time. If you don't come online at least once within this period, your account will be deleted with all messages and contacts. The default setting here is as 6 months. I switched it to 1 year, and you can also tap right here and change it from 1 month to 1 year. But also you can delete your account right now by hitting a delete account now. So click on delete account now and be aware of alternative options here. If you are sure that you wanna delete your account, scroll this page a bit down and click on button delete my account.